We interrupt your endless scrolling to take you live to the Austin American Technology Demo Room.
You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind my back.
Hey Justin, what are you doing?
Cleaning up the inline.
That's a strange sight. I never see you cleaning anything.
Hey, easy. I do my work around here.
You must be up to something. What are you up to?
Selling an inline.
Which inline? This one?
This one.
We only had this 3 years and it's only been used for demos.
Well, good. Then we'll have no problem only getting $80,000 for it.
$80,000? You know how much one of these things cost?
What, brand new?
$180,000.
Ooh. Well, here's the deal. I already promised this for $80,000, so don't tell Todd. No matter what you do, don't tell Todd that we're selling a 3-year-old inline ExtremeJet for only $80,000.
So you want me to don't tell Todd? Well, who's going to be doing the installation and training?
Who normally does the installation and training?
Me.
They normally play for that?
Yeah.
Well, now you're going to be a little upset. I'm actually going to include that into the $80,000. So before you overreact,
Justin.
don't tell Todd. $80,000 includes installation, includes training, 3-year-old, almost brand new inline ExtremeJet.
So you want me to not tell Todd that you're selling the machine for less than we paid the manufacturer?
Yeah, just don't tell Todd. $80,000.
I don't know, Justin. I'm going to have to act like I didn't hear anything. I didn't see you. I didn't talk to you. And I'll go back in my little area over here.
All right, Randy.
All
We'll
right?
see you later.
All right.
Hey, Randy.
Yeah.
Don't tell Todd we're selling the ExtremeJet for only $80,000.
I don't know. Okay. Your secret's safe with me. Okay. I'm going to stay out of it.
He's going to tell Todd.
Can't stop me. No. You can't stop